Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to highlight top items in WPS Spreadsheet. So for example, we have here two columns, first one with names and the second one with number of points of each person. If you would like to highlight top cells with points, you need to select the range, so I select here all points, and after that I need to go to Conditional Formatting. And here you will find a lot of really useful settings. One of them is top bottom rules. We need to select it. And here we have something like top 10 items. I click on this one option. And here you can select number of cells which you want to be highlighted. So for example, I will select here maybe 5 top cells. And after that, I can change the color. So I click on this one list. And for example, I will select here yellow fill with dark yellow text. And after that, I click OK button. And here, top items have been successfully highlighted. So how you see, it really works, yes? So if I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.